So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Face ID is grayed out on your iPhone. Now, there's a couple of different ways to go ahead and fix this. Number one, you might just want to go through and make sure that your stolen device protection isn't enabled on your iPhone. So make your way over into your settings application. You want to scroll down into your privacy and security option that you have right over here. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find that little option that says stolen device protection. So there should be a little option all the way at the bottom right over here. Tap onto it, and you just want to make sure this isn't really enabled. So sometimes if it's enabled, that could give you some issues. So if it's on, you might have to wait an hour for it to actually kind of fix itself. Now, sometimes there can also be some screen time issues as well. So if you have screen time enabled, go through and make your way back into your settings application. Scroll down until you find screen time. So there should be that screen time option right over here. And then what you want to do is you want to go and click on content and privacy restrictions. So click on content and privacy restrictions, and you want to make sure there's not a restriction specifically for Face ID or that application that you basically have. That could be another thing. Now, you might also want to make sure there's no hardware obstructions. So making sure that your camera sensors, your front notch or anything like that isn't covered or anything like that, because that can also cause some problems for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.